Hey guys, welcome to Cooking with Brash. Okay, so today we're going to be making a lemon dill salmon with some nice roasted potatoes with some nice rosemary and garlic on top, and we're going to make some buttered. Wait a minute, what were you just doing there? You're so freaking weird. You know what?
I know, it's so weird.
Okay, some buttered Brussels. Wait, say that 3 times fast.
Buttered Brussels sprouts, buttered Brussels sprouts.
Okay, yeah, sounds good. Okay, let's get back into the show. So we're gonna teach you 3 things today. Why to choose wild-caught fish instead of farmed fish. Okay, how to turn your potatoes from a starch into a resistant starch, which basically acts as a fiber and helps with weight loss. Okay, and the 3rd thing, we're gonna teach you about yogurt and how it helps with absorption. Okay, cool? You ready to go, kiddo?
Let's go.
Okay, so first things first, we're gonna get this salmon started. Ashley?
Yes.
Come on here, can you get me the big parchment paper? So basically how we're gonna do this salmon is we're gonna have it in the oven. We're gonna poach it in butter. Ooh, yummy, okay. Please cut me some butter, honey.
That's a big ass knife.
Yeah, we'll get some.
I'm gonna be safe and get a little bit of it.
Whatever, I'll do it.
No, look, I got a butter knife.
Okay.
That's why they're called this. It's
That's not,
butter.
come on.
How much?
Just in chunks like this. Here, let me show you. Okay, so I'm gonna take chunks like this and then put them down on my parchment, just like so. Oh my God, I said it again!
You see?
I said it again, I said just like so again. Whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna take my lemon. Ashley, if you give me the, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna roll this lemon out. It's kind of scary, dude.
I know. It's
Stay
getting
away. Stay away.
Halloween's coming up.
You're freaky with those new eyebrows you got.
Oh my God!
Okay, so let's do the show, all right? So I got my butter on my parchment. What I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna cut my lemon. Okay, a couple pieces like so. I didn't say just like. I'm gonna spread it out like this. Whatever. Okay, now I'm gonna take my salmon, which is a nice wild caught piece of salmon. Okay, I'm gonna put that right on top. I'm gonna cut some little butter up. Oh, that's a lot. Okay, we're gonna put it right on top of the salmon. So now that we have our butter on top, I'm gonna keep cutting up my lemons. I'm gonna add some lemon to the top as well. And squeeze in some lemon here, just like that. Now I'm gonna take my dill and just kind of take it off the stalks, just like so. You know, they say dill is really good for your breath. It actually has some really stinky breath right now. So
That's awesome.
I'm gonna put it in your mouth just like so. There you go. Maybe a little extra on there, right? There you go. Okay, so we have our butter, our lemon, and our dill. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wrap this up so that the salmon actually cooks in the butter. So it basically steams and we're gonna poach it in its own butter and juices. The way I'm going to roll this up, okay. You have dill on your face.
Well, I guess.
And on your nose. So I'm just rolling the parchment nice and tight. So I'm sealing in all the juices. Okay. I'm going to roll up. Can you roll up that image? Actually, Ash? Oh, like that, spread out. Spread out. Like that. Just like that. We have a pan here. So now that everything's locked in there, I'm gonna put it in a pan. Oh, that's not big enough. That's alright. We live in a condo, we don't have big things. And we're gonna shove that in the oven, okay? Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna cook our potatoes. So behind the scenes I already chopped the potatoes. Well, Ashley helped me.
I helped.
She hopped. Okay, we've already boiled our potatoes and then we've taken them out just before they were done and then we cooled them. And cooking and then cooling your potatoes is a process called retrogradation. It turns your potato or your starch into a resistant starch, which basically turns it into an insoluble fiber, Ash.
Cool.
Did you know that?
No, I didn't know.
And by turning it into an insoluble fiber, it helps with weight loss and fat storage, right? So it's way better for us. You should never just eat potato normal. Okay, so give me the potatoes.
Okay.
Give me the potatoes, and I love potatoes. Before I thought you couldn't eat them because they're bad, but through this process, turns them into like a super miracle food. Okay, potatoes. Okay, this is all. So basically what we're gonna do, guys, is because we love butter, we're gonna, and you can use also some coconut oil here too, but you know what? Pretty sure we're out. Actually, I think we just got some more, but still, I like the butter. I'm just gonna drop the butter right onto the pan here. Better use parchment. Ashley. Okay, let's go. It's actually quite a bit of potatoes, actually. So guys, what I'm gonna do is just flatten these out here like this. And I'm gonna wait to add my rosemary and garlic till the end, right? Because we wanna add the fresh stuff at the end so we don't ruin the antioxidant value of that. So, Ashley, here you go. We're gonna pop this in. That's somewhat hot. We're gonna pop this into the oven. Odd, watch your face. About 350, 400, we'll let those cook. Brussels sprout. Now everything is pretty much gonna take about 25 to a half an hour. So we're gonna show you, basically, there's lots of ways you can do Brussels sprouts. You can saute them on the stove, but we're just gonna, again, we're gonna bake it. It's a simple meal. Throw everything in the oven, set it, forget it.
Set it and forget it.
Ashley's doing that thing again where she just yells.
I am so tired.
She yells things out. Okay, can you, please give me the next. So again, guys, again, you can use coconut oil. Stay away from olive oils when you're cooking, right? But I will need the pan as well, or yeah. So there's lots of different recipes, but we're gonna keep it simple with these Brussels sprouts. Just cook them in butter. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cook them in the oven just with these at 350 to 400. Sort of wrong. We're gonna spread them out. Holy cow. We have a couple guests here tonight, so we're cooking a little bit more than usual. But what you want to do here is you want to flatten them out. I like to put them face up, okay? And we want to start to cook them, and we kind of want to brown them out. And you don't want to burn them, right? We don't want to burn our vegetables. We want to brown them out so they start to kind of caramelize in that butter. I'm going to take a little bit more chunk of that, okay? Throw that in the oven. Brussels sprouts on. And at the end we can add some salt and pepper. Alright, my dear. Here we go.
Somebody's taking care of all of the mess I made. Someone you don't have to change. I've been hoping someone will love you, let me go. Someone will love you, let me go.
Okay, so now it's time to make the sauce. We're going to be making a lemon dill sauce using yogurt, grass-fed yogurt. But you can also use a Greek yogurt if you want the sauce to be a little bit thicker.
I was supposed to get it. I admit it. I screwed up. It's my fault.
Okay, whatever. It doesn't matter. It'll just be a little bit runny. It'll still be delicious, okay? But the reason that yogurt is good for absorption and good for our intestines is basically yogurt is fermented milk. And when you ferment the milk, it takes the lactose, and lactose is basically the sugar in milk, and it turns into a good gut bacteria, a good bacteria called like lactobacillus. And that's gonna help our gut, and that's gonna in turn help with absorption of minerals and vitamins. And it's gonna overall make us a healthier person. So eat the yogurt, eat the yogurt.
I'm not participating.
Eat the yogurt, eat the yogurt.
I absolutely refuse.
Let's make it. Okay, let's show the folks at home how to make the yogurt. Honey, we're gonna take about a half of this container. We're gonna pour it into the bowl. Well, you can pour it in because it's not very thick.
I screwed up.
Let's use Greek yogurt at home, okay? Okay, that's good. Okay, so we've done that. Now Ashley is going to chop up some dill. Chop the dill.
I love to chop.
Okay. I'm gonna take some nice gray sea salt. I'm gonna smash that up
Smash it.
with the edge of my knife.
The edge.
Okay. Why are you repeating it?
I don't know. It's
so
really funny
weird.
to do it.
Okay, Ashley, you want to squeeze some lemon in there? So we'll squeeze half a lemon in there. Ashley's gonna do that over her hand. Oh.
No, I do it this way.
Oh.
Fun fact of the day. If you squeeze a lemon from this side, the seeds aren't gonna go in.
Wow, that's actually really
Be aware of all cuts you might have on your fingers because it'll burn, but you don't have to fish the seeds out.
What happened?
Nothing.
What happened?
Nothing. See, look, there's
There's
a
a
seed.
seed in there. Looks like, oh, okay. Okay, now we're gonna stir that up.
No, I just don't like a little taste.
We're gonna definitely more dough.
Definitely more dough.
More dough, more lemon. So guys, we're gonna add another half a lemon in there.
But now you have 2 hands that are lemon. That's why I need 1 hand.
Okay. Where's the assistant? Can you throw me the towel? Wow. There you go, my lord. As you were. As you were. Okay.
We have a full staff of assistants on the show. It's crazy.
Yeah, we have like 30 people here. Okay, so let's chop some more dill.
I can do it. Well, you can do it.
What do you mean?
I'm gonna shove this dill.
Okay, and I'm gonna try and press that dill just like so. Okay, and I get some of that juice out.
Are you gonna press it?
Okay,
I'll try it.
our sauce is done.
Is it?
I think so.
Needs more dough.
Okay, we'll be right back. It's time now to add our rosemary and our garlic to our potatoes. So Ash, I'm gonna hand you that. I'm gonna get this garlic going. Whammo! Whammo! Dude, you karate chop the garlic? Okay, we can karate chop the garlic, guys. Or to get the skin off, you can also use the back side of your knife, like a real chef. You know, we just did a really cool post on garlic. It's antibacterial, anti-inflammatory. It's great for the circulatory system. It's basically a magic pill. Or herb. Okay, so actually, can you take the potatoes out?
I can.
So I'm gonna chop this garlic up, guys. Okay. Yep. So, I'm adding the garlic now here. To our potatoes.
Watch it. Put it in.
Okay. Well, okay, can you take that away again? So now our garlic's on. I'm gonna get my rosemary here. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna flip it upside down just like so. Look at that.
We should start a drinking game every time you say
Yeah,
this,
well, I think I'd be wasted. So take a couple rosemary stalks. Is that what they're called? Stalks?
I don't know. That's actually a great question. If anyone knows the answer, comment below.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna take my rosemary.
Don't. Why?
I'm not sure. It's good for everybody.
It's not good for me.
It's not good for you.
There's still some rosemary. Get that on there.
Well, bam! Hey, the more rosemary, the better. Okay, rosemary, garlic, potatoes. Back in the oven for about 10 minutes.
Welcome back, guys.
What are you doing here again? Get out of here. Give me my hat back. And give me my wine. Get out of here. What are you doing? What is he doing here? Oh, God. Go for the bathroom for fucking 2 minutes. Got me replaced. Okay, so what are we gonna do? Let's take our salmon out. Our salmon has been poaching in the oven in this beautiful butter here. Okay? Ashley, ready? We need to do a teamwork here.
Okay.
Ready?
Give me a second.
Weird. Where's that weird guy? Where's that weird guy? Oh, there he is. Hey, man. What's up? Ashley, ready? I need you to take some quick. Oh my God. Take it. 1, 2, 3. Oh, no, that was horrible. Ben, no. Okay. That wasn't as much. Okay.
You're melodramatic.
So our fish, you can kind of poke it, see if it's done. But the true test here, guys, we're going to take our fork, we're just going to flake it, and you can flake it open, and it's all cooked right through. Okay? And you, again, you want to make sure that when you buy your fish, that you buy the wild caught stuff, right? So if you choose the farm crap, if you choose the farm crap, you know it's been fed GMO pellets, super unhealthy, and you know what, you buy the wild caught stuff, the omega-3 to omega-6 ratio, much higher than the omega-3s, which is anti-inflammatory. The other ones, higher in omega-6s. So it's going to be very inflammatory. Anti-inflammatory wild, inflammatory, anti-inflammatory, inflammatory. I choose you.
Fuck off.
So potatoes, we've cooked the garlic and the rosemary for about 10 minutes. Now we have that brown color on our potatoes. It's hot, honey.
So good.
Yeah, it's hot, isn't it?
They're really
Put them up. Okay, so our potatoes are all done now here. We're gonna plate our food. We have our lemon dill salmon with Brussels sprouts, buttered Brussels sprouts, and our garlic rosemary potatoes. All done. Time to eat. Time to munch. Hey, munch.
Let's
Our lemon cheese. Say